hiking is it's a mistake.
Oh, we're not walking anywhere in particular. There's nothing at the end of this trail. There's no bar or restaurant. Not even a vending machine. We're just idiots.
Hiking ni ya wazungu. Hiyo yako ni kuzurura kwa msitu.
Kama mwanaume akisema unajua mimi save na save kuja hapa save. Because you are a nongo, una save nini? Mwanaume ako na savings anafaa avalishwe ya madem. Uko na two savings. Imagine how homosexual you sound.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hii si kuanguka. Hii ni somersault nilifanya voluntarily, lakini ni sawa. Wananitanga, unajua wasichana ndio wanidanganya. Wananiita tuji hiking, wananisalimia hiking because mimi ni mfalme wao. Nilijitocha nikakuja hiking juu yao, sasa unasema nimeanguka. Ni wao, hebu kata hiyo kitu.
Hi guys, is it long or not?
Hizo ni nini unasema?
Welcome to Longonot. Hi guys, my name is Tracy Gaki, the CEO of Triple T Travelers, and today we are hiking Mount Longonot. Make sure to hike with us. Ametoka juu, people hike nini?
Wacha kusema ametoka juu, sema
Ametoka kwa mlima.
Unaona venye watu wako na kimbele mbele. Watu watajidivide tu. Mtu atabaki kwa lens zake.
About 9,000. As I was saying, you guys, you should be like me.
Aje sasa. Anataka kupanda mlima arudi bila kitambi
You guys are at home, sleeping, we are here hiking. Why you not hiking with us? Make better choices for your life. Stop clubbing. Come hike with us.
Kazi ni kuwa tu high. Sisi na tunafanya hiking.
Hi chat.
So this way in Longonot finally. The last time I was here I was in class 3. So I just decided to take on this another trip. Nione vile mlima inakwanga. I believe tuko fit enough. So haizikuwa much of a big deal. So we are going all the way up there where the smoke is. If you turn around, here's where we've started. See how it goes. Such a 20. Let's go. Feel free to subscribe kwa wenye subscribe. Niko hapa hivi just for content, nikuonyesha the places where you can go to relax. This one is a very good place if you want to keep fit. Yeah, and just burn some calories and test your muscles, test your legs, joints, nini, one kama you can survive these small harsh conditions, baby. From here maybe unaweza Sub-Saharan desert, something of the sort, or maybe Chalbi. Yeah, but now let me just let you enjoy this vlog of mine and subscribe, guys. Yeah. So guys, finally tumepata watu wenye walitutangulia, walidhani kutangulia ni kufika, but tuna overtake pole tu. Bye. Walikuja jana na ndio tumewapata. Okay. So guys, tunaenda hadi huko juu. As you can see, wengine wameanza kuhema, wamekwama. Ndio sasa tunafika.
Let me tell you guys. Imagine nimelipa pesa yangu niteswe.
Umelipa pesa ndio uteswe.
Imagine nini nilikuwa narudi. Unaenda kasi.
Yes, Mata, finally umefika. Ukiambiwa njia ya kwenda heaven itakuwa hivi, utafika kweli?
Yeah, sure. Wengine wanatembea ni kama wanarushwa pole tu.
Hana haraka.
It's all about hiking, Mzee. Wewe unajua kuna vitabu.
Hi, cousin.
Hi, cousin.
Okay, guys, to be honest, this is quite a torture. So think twice. Think twice. Shida ni kushuka. Utaremuka hata utafika kweli? Ushaanza kuinama.
Ngoja nikae chini. Ngoja nikae chini hapa.
Mimi utanipiga kama nimeendanga. Umeanza?
Nianza. I'll see you shortly. See ya.
Sasa mimi napigia mtu simu akija.
Utafika kweli juu? Okay, that's the motivation, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, what tuzidi?
Unataka kujua second name.
Nimeona vizuri sana tripoti. Lakini tuko wengi zo. Alafu plastic.
Waka nini flag yako endelea. Pole 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 pole. Nasimna hema. Wow. We. Mtafika juu kwa vile mna hema. Sioni, especially your black, sioni akifika. Guys, look at, hebu tuangalie. It's not easy. We. Sijui kama nitafika by the way. But Nitafika kujiaminia.
Ja, das ist perfekt. Genau. In Chile das wäre nicht möglich.
Chunguzi anguke. My first time, but I know nitafika juu. Kwa sisi si hatuna vitambi. Physically fit. Tunaenda rounds kama 100. Hiking. So trafika. Let's go. See you on the top. Yeah. Let's go. Katu wasione kama Need some help?
Naona nikiringa. Tumepanda, tumemaliza the first one. Tumemaliza stairs. We are just a little bit left. Tufika huko mwisho kwa point. Peace and lots of love. Na mjaribu hii. Wana venye tunaringa? We climbing the mountain like the pros, okay?
Easy. makes it look easy.
Hello. Cheers.
Yeah. So by the way, the trick is you have to go slowly so you don't strain your muscles. So the idea is you can hold your hand on the back and then put the support on the stick.
Are you sure ama unatuchocha sasa wewe?
Ni ukweli kabisa. Because if you hold yourself, you're supporting yourself, and then you put all the energy on the stick. And that way, you don't get so tired, and don't talk too much.
Okay.
Because the oxygen also gets out. Sawa?
Okay. Mwenye alibebwa inua mkono juu. Inua mkono juu. Tunakujua. Alishindwa na hike ndogo, just 10 meters.
It's a photo?
Not really.
A video?
Yeah. Tumefika. We've made it. Welcome to Longonot. Holy freaking moly. Jeez. It's quite scary. Hebu onyeshe.
Sana ati? Sisi tunajaribu. We've made it.
We, lakini hapa si scary. Hapa mtu akianguka si umeenda. Uwezi? You guys want to go all there until there, making just a round trip, and then we go back down. Let's go. Congratulations.
Aya, mbona unakanika kama hujapanda hapo? It looks so evil.
Nikujiamini.
Hiyo nilikuwa nimechoka. Sasa unaona?
Wenye tunazunguka tunaanza. No, don't go this way. This will be fun, huh?
Kaanguka kabla hujafika.
Mtu wa boda Mary. Yule mmoja. Yule wangu.
Ruka.
Quite scary.
So the thing is, you have to go around because it's already mapema. So you go around. I said it's a matter of life and life.
It's a must, eh? Yeah. Not important.
So we are going a round trip, making a round trip.
So we're just supposed to go up there and ratify some data, that's all.
Banana shit. Holy scary moly. Holy scary. Let's go. Umezunguka? Not really.
A real high.
And it's so steep, huh?
Yeah.
More than this.
This is not steep.
Oh, la, la. And then I'm feeling like this is quite a milestone for me.
I don't even feel Mabogo. Have you gone to Bond Hills?
No.
The 7th hill?
No. Okay, now this you are what hiking the 7th what?
No, hiking is what I do like.
Oh, for real? Okay.
I hike every weekend.
Wow. It's the secret of being fit, huh? Okay.
After the toxicity of the working from Monday to Friday, we just have to take.
Yeah. Blow off some steam, huh?
Yeah.
It's not as large as you said. Okay, that's good news for me. By the way.
We are a quarter of the journey.
By the way. Okay, it's not really much of a distance.
And it's like 2 kilometers since we put the equator.
So pretty, huh?
This is approximately 7 kilometers. That's the 90. When I get the military position. One of the please. And unajua huyu mwanamke anaendelea nini? Toy sana. Hapo toy. Na teknisha toy. Ndio sio kanini ni toy na sio. Ndio kuna hai. Kuna hapa kuna katreni. Unakumbuka ile mai ya mai? Mai? Mai ya mai.
That's where we are from, and this is where we are going. The journey continues. Now that we are in a team, it's much easier. The rest have dropped off. Wamesema wazunguki, but hata Moses alipanda mlima peke yake, si ndio? Sasa sisi tunaenda kuwaletea some commandments za kufuata. There we go. But it's just like going to a mountain. Okay, this is fun for me. I love these images, these videos, these clips. Let's go.
Sasa hawa watu wanafanya bulana hata ndio tuache maji huko. Remember Kilima Mabogo, we went with only 1 liter. So the boys were there. But Huda! Hey! Bro, ya dawa ni hapo kwa hapana maji kata Tentena. Ya que está amigo.
It's becoming too stiff. Guys, we are almost we are halfway through. Me and this small team decided to do a 360, and voila, you can see we are going all the way to that dark spot. Yeah, I'm from all the way. Yeah, now let's go.
Vumbi. If you are full of vumbi, you are vumbi. Can I get? Okay. Umepigwa vumbi. Umepigwa vumbi. Nikasema asante.
This is not for the weak. Not for the weak.
I know you like safari in the forest.
You done?
Not yet. I've not even started.
Haki kusimama lakini kama nitachoka. Unaona kwa vile tunakaa vizuri. So I was telling you I want a piece of land.
Yeah, we can.
Nikata place kama hii. Yes, yes, it is.
Hapo. Forest ranger is here. Yeah, this is beautiful.
So guys, this is how large Mount Longonot is. Approximately starts like that all the way to there. Yeah, I'm on some steep slope. I want to go all the way until there. Oh my god. And he's also quite steep, so just be mindful. And siku kama mimi, I'm one man solo hapa hivi, wengine wabaki nyuma na wengine wanakuja huko mbele. So tembea na group, ushike mkono and just be careful, yeah. But overall this thing is quite a good hell of exercise. So let's go. It's almost raining. It's drizzling. It's drizzling, guys, and wow, I'm lost of words. Let's go before it rains. Before it rains heavily. Let's just go. So guys, this is another angle of the mountain. Mount Longonot, another angle. Hii side tumezunguka hii side ndio tumezunguka because iko na path around. Yeah, we are almost finishing. It's quite a challenge. Nothing really amusing, but just the exercise. Look at it. Let's go. This is quite stiff. This is so stiff. I believe this is the last hill, like, wow. Okay, yeah. So help me God. What? Make sure you guys bring good sport clothing, good sport shoes, because here you can slide. Yeah, so fair attention. Be very careful and have your shoe gear top notch. We are almost. We are going all the way until up there. Look at this bird. Oops. Let's go. Oh my God, will I make it? Look at this bird. So cute. Oh, please don't run away. Don't run away. Don't run away. Wow. That's the finish line. We have made it. We have made it, guys. Finally made it. We have made it. We have made it, guys. We have made it. We have made it. Yeah, finally. Yeah, I've made it. Oh my God. You hear the last people to arrive. The last people to arrive in our. Finally. Kumbe hata si ngumu.
Si ngumu.
It's not that stiff.
You want to climb? Usha climb sasa. Hakuna ni sawa lakini si ushamaliza sasa.
You better kuteremka hii on the flat land. Anyway, the tide is yours.
But we are here.
Yeah. Why not?
Continue, yeah.
Uko karibu.
Kwa
Karibia ndio portrait hiyo. Portrait. Nitatumia portrait.
What's this? What the heavens is this? It's giving Illuminati vibes. What the heaven? Guys, I'm so tired. I can hear voices. I can see no one. But we must finish. And this place is so scary. If you're suicidal, please don't come here. If you dive down, your phones won't have internet. You won't have enough network. Look at my shoes. So dusty. Hapa ndo naambiwanga uliza kiatu. Uliza kiatu utaambiwa penye tumetoka and what you've done. For the sake of life, for the sake of relationships, for the sake of job. But this is quite fun. It's a very quick way of reducing weight.
sorry. That's a break. Woo! We go. Amlima ka kwanza.
Hapa ndio kale kalikuwa
kale kanaonekana alikakali. Haka kabibi. Sasa mateke.
Kule.
Haya, nenda. Alikuwa anataka nishout, ndio siku shout that fast. Nina nimetoa swali. So you want to kuoga?
Mimi nakuoga ama ninakuosha?
Both. Kuosha. Unajua kuosha kuna mbili mbili. Kuosha kwa kona.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hapa nayo. Vumbi for lunch, vumbi for supper. 2020.
Molly. Oh my.
Vumbi for lunch, vumbi for dinner.
Oh, ya 3/4 done. Yes, you can do anything that you put on. That's true.
Very possible.
Tulianza saa ngapi? Tumefika how long? Walikuwa na time.
47 minutes.
47 minutes.
So before 1 hour and 20 minutes back. So 13 kilometers a line.
We are not running.
This is what I don't like, the dust. The dust is what I don't like, guys. The dust is too much.
Za kuchange.
Wazungu ndio wamechukua hii challenge very seriously. I believe because this is never in their place.
Wacha Brufen hatafika. Now you think Brufen ni? Shut. That dust is sukong. Damn it. Hii ni kurudi wapi?
Gani?
Hii ni njia kwenda?
Ai, hapa kuna njia.
Oh. From here hadi
Ni sasa drop
hivi. Okay.
How many minutes from that?
Guys, we have the top. Scary. So it's scary. Shit. So scary. Damn it.
Okay.
Mpaka nimfikie tu.
Sawa.
Kuja tu na mimi. Guys, finally tumefika. It's not what you think. Hii si kuanguka. Hii ni somersault nilifanya voluntarily, lakini ni sawa. Wananitanga, unajua wasichana ndio wanidanganya. Wananiita tuji hiking, wananisalimia hiking because mimi ni mfalme wao. Nilijichocha nikakuja hiking juu yao, sasa unasema nimeanguka. Ni wao, hebu kata hiyo kitu.